This is Village Auto's 2011 Chevrolet Cruze LT four-door sedan. Very clean one-owner vehicle with the rear defrost, rear park assist, alloy wheels. Very well maintained car. This one does come equipped with a 1.4 liter turbo 4-cylinder motor along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $8,480. Let's get inside here for you. This one has a full leather interior, exceptionally clean as you can see. You do have full power options, power driver's side seat, power moonroof, OnStar, AM/FM CD player with the USB and auxiliary inputs, Bluetooth connectivity, auto stick feature, steering wheel audio controls along with cruise. This one has only 84,000 miles. Very clean, very well maintained car that runs and drives out great. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2011 Chevrolet Cruze LT home with you today.